Welcome to the best picks. The best tonsil stone removal is probably one of the most annoying things that can happen to you. These small, often white or yellow, formations can cause bad breath, a sore throat, and even difficulty swallowing. In this video, we'll explore the causes of tonsil stones and, more importantly, how to get rid of them, covering everything from home remedies to professional treatments, so you can finally say goodbye to those pesky tonsil stones. Number 5. ORAVIX Tonsil Stone Removal Kit. Do you suffer from embarrassing bad breath? This kit is the complete solution to help you get rid of tonsil stones and fight bad breath. It's designed to work effectively and give you the fresh breath you deserve. This tool kit not only helps you remove existing tonsil stones but also helps prevent them from coming back. The 3 tools included are more effective than other removal methods. You'll be amazed by the results. Studies show that tonsil stones are a major cause of bad breath. With this kit, you can eliminate tonsil stones and say goodbye to bad breath. It's your first step towards a fresher, more confident you. The kit comes with a detailed instruction manual to guide you through the process. You can use the tools with water or mouthwash. It's simple and easy to incorporate into your daily routine. This ORAVIX kit includes 3 essential tools. They include a tonsil stone remover, a syringe, and a tongue scraper. This comprehensive set ensures you have everything you need to tackle tonsil stones effectively. What we like? This kit offers a complete solution for removing and preventing tonsil stones. It includes multiple tools to tackle the problem from all angles. If you're looking for a comprehensive approach to eliminate tonsil stones and the bad breath they cause, this is the one for you. It's designed to be easy to use, making it a great choice for anyone wanting a straightforward solution. What people say. With an ensemble of 7 meticulously designed pieces, the kit has all that one needs to get rid of bad breath. Its unique, redesigned tonsil scoop provides for better reach, rendering it more effective. The instruction booklet was detailed and easy to comprehend for a first-timer. Number 4. Dr. FREDERICK'S Easy Tonsil Stone Removal Kit. This is Dr. FREDERICK'S original Easy Tonsil Stone Removal Kit. It is designed for easy and comfortable at-home use. The kit includes everything you need to address tonsil stones effectively. The kit comes with a water irrigator, a lighted tool, and multiple attachments. These attachments, with removable silicone sleeves, ensure comfortable use and easy cleaning. A case is also included for storage and travel. By using this kit, you can improve your oral hygiene. It helps you address tonsil stones, allowing you to feel more confident. This can be a useful tool in your daily routine. The Easy Tonsil Stone Removal Kit is designed with user-friendliness in mind. It includes an oral irrigator and attachments made from soft silicone and plastic. It's intended for comfortable and straightforward use, and can also be used as an earwax removal tool. Dr. FREDERICK'S Original is committed to creating products that meet your needs. We are ready to support you in using this tonsil stone removal kit. We are here to help you. What we like? This kit prioritizes comfort with its versatile attachments and user-friendly design. It includes a lighted wand and soft silicone attachments for ease of use. If you value comfort and a gentle approach to tonsil stone removal, this kit is perfect for you. It's designed to make the process as comfortable as possible. What people say. I love the lighted wands and the syringe for irrigation. The tools have little scoops on the end and silicone protectors for the long ones. Este kit es increíble, al principio estaba un poco escéptica pero cuando lo use fue super efficient y rápido para solucionar mis problemas con los tonsil stones. Number 3. Everest Mouthwash and Tonsil Stone Remover. A healthy mouth is just a rinse away. This all-natural mouthwash from Everest helps prevent tonsil stones, relieves dry mouth, and freshens your breath. It's a simple step for a healthier you. This mouthwash tackles bad breath and painful tonsil stones at their source. It works by flushing out particles that cause these issues, promoting fresh breath and tonsil stone prevention. You won't find any artificial ingredients here. This dry mouth rinse is packed with natural ingredients like aloe, marigold extract, and spearmint oil to soothe and cleanse your mouth. Enjoy a clean mouth and a clear conscience with Everest. This breath freshener is made without harmful additives like parabens, SLS, or alcohol, so you can feel good about what you're using. Remove the cap and fill the dosage cap. Swish 1 cupful around your mouth for a minute, then spit it out. Gargle with another cupful for 30 seconds. Do not swallow. For best results, use it 2 to 3 times daily. This rinse is formulated by dentists to prevent tonsil stones and soothe the tonsils. Many users have reported that it may help loosen and remove tonsil stones on their own. What we like. This mouthwash offers a natural approach to tonsil stone prevention and fresh breath. It's formulated without alcohol or harsh chemicals. If you prefer a natural and gentle solution to combat tonsil stones and bad breath, this mouthwash is an excellent choice. It's designed to be kind to your mouth while still delivering effective results. What people say. I tried every rinse and toothpaste on the market to help with my bad breath. I did exactly what the directions said and gargled 1 cap full. Even after I ate, my breath was still fresh. Number 2. ORAVIX Tonsil Stone Remover Kit. Are you tired of embarrassing bad breath? This tool helps you remove tonsil stones painlessly. It's a simple solution for a fresher breath. The new loop nozzle is designed to reach deep into the tonsil crypts. This unique design makes removing tonsil stones easier than ever before. You can finally get rid of those hidden stones. See the stones clearly with the built-in LED light. It helps you locate and remove stones in hard-to-reach areas. This feature ensures a thorough cleaning. Forget about using cotton swabs or your fingers. This tool is the easiest way to remove tonsil stones. Get a professional-level treatment at home. Get rid of tonsilolith and enjoy a confident breath. This kit helps you eliminate the source of bad breath. You'll feel refreshed and confident. What we like. This tool features an LED light to help you see and remove stones easily. The loop nozzle is specially designed for reaching tonsil crypts. If you struggle to see or reach those pesky tonsil stones, this is the perfect solution. The LED light and specialized design make it easy to remove stones painlessly. What people say. The product is very helpful. I was able to get rid of my tonsil stones. The product works as described. Number 1. Tonsil Stone Removal Set with LED Light. This set includes everything you need to tackle those pesky tonsil stones. It comes with multiple tools to help you remove them easily and effectively. Say goodbye to bad breath. Inside, you'll find a stainless steel tool, a remover with LED light, 100 swabs, and a curved syringe. These tools work together to provide a comprehensive solution for tonsil stone removal. The tools are made with safe and reusable materials. The stainless steel and LED tools are durable, while the swabs are disposable for hygiene. The syringe is also reusable. The tools are designed for easy handling. The stainless steel tool is 4.7 inches, the LED tool is 5.1 inches, the swabs are 5.9 inches, and the syringe holds 12 milliliters. It's the perfect size for comfortable use. This set allows for easy and gentle removal of tonsil stones. The adaptable extraction tool and different techniques provide flexibility and comfort during the process. The set is small and lightweight, making it ideal for travel. It's a convenient way to eliminate tonsil stones, a common cause of bad breath. Get rid of them and freshen your breath. What we like. This set provides multiple tools for tonsil stone removal, including a stainless steel tool and an LED light tool. The set is small and lightweight, making it ideal for travel. If you need a convenient and portable solution for removing tonsil stones, this set is a great choice. It's designed to be easy to take with you wherever you go. What people say. I was pleasantly surprised to find all sorts of tools in the kit at my disposal since I didn't know what would work for me. The main thing I needed was the long Q-tips, and they are extremely helpful reaching in places I could not. The little metal scoop tool works like a charm and is very gentle. The lighted tool is perfect. However, once you get it close to your tonsil, you will see that it lights up the area perfectly. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.